Come join me, Deborah Voigt, at the 2023 Virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival for 2 days of classes and workshops about root work, conjure, and spell casting on June 10th and 11th. Myself and other experienced practitioners will reveal the secrets of great love spells on the Favorite Love Spells panel. I hope to see you there.
Hi, my name is Ms. Nikki Jean. Join me as I discuss seduction magic on the love panel for the Hoodoo Heritage Festival. This class I'll be talking about when you're ready to get back out into the dating world, ready for that crush to be something more than a lover, or if you're just ready to have some flings, how to get all that attraction and attention back onto you.
Hi, I'm JD from HoodooHouseDetroit.com, and I will be a member of the panel for our favorite love spells, where I will share with you my favorite love spell, which is how to draw a lover to you, whether they be close in proximity or far away. Follow along with all the practitioners how they teach you their spells.
Hi everybody, it's Reverend Roy. So after you've done all the work and you've found your perfect partner, what's next? Well, I've got some great tips and tricks for you on keeping love and devotion alive in your relationship. And I'm going to share with you one of my favorite simple spells to help the love continue to grow year after year. I hope to see you there.
Hello, my name is ConjureMan. I hope that you will be able to join me at the Hoodoo Heritage Festival, where I will be presenting on the topic of love uncrossing. This is a really cool and interesting topic and will join other root workers in a fantastic panel discussion on love conjure. Love uncrossing will cover all the various and interesting aspects of what happens when your love life is blocked and what we can do to uncross it. I'm ConjureMan, co-host of the Lucky Mojo Hoodoo Root Work Hour, root doctor, and astrologer, and I look forward to seeing you at the Hoodoo Heritage Festival.
We'll see you there.